Hi everyone, so today in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how do you create a gig on Fiverr. So the step-by-step process to create a gig on Fiverr. So let's get into the video. Okay, firstly log into your account as a seller. So once you've logged into your account, what you have to do is click on My Business here. Under My Business, click on Gigs, right? So once you click on Gigs, here it should display all your active gigs. If you don't want, that's not a problem. If you don't have one, so on your right here, you'll see an option called create a new gig. So click on that. So click on create a new gig. Here we start our process. So again, so for the title, so try to get some catchy title that's relevant to your service that you're providing. So some catchy relevant title. So, so, uh, so whatever that service you're providing, just straight to the point and make it catchy as well. So a good title. So, like example, I will for demonstration purpose, I'll just do YouTube promotion. Promotion YouTube for. I'm just adding that. I'm just adding this time frame just to make it more more catchy and to make it a bit outstanding than the usual ones. So that's why. Okay, so that's one, the title, and then the category. You can choose under which category your service is related to. For me, like mine is I can choose digital marketing, YouTube. So then your social media marketing. So that's relevant to you. So choose a relevant title, and then the service type. What do you provide? So I'm providing it's yeah, organic social promotion, so that's relevant to me, so choose use whatever that's relevant to you. Okay, and then and here's again, so for my promotion here YouTube, so that's all the platform that's available for me, so I'm choosing for me it's YouTube. That's fine. And then for industry, so you can choose, I think you can choose up to five, so you can choose whatever that's you can choose as much, I think up to five, so you can choose, just make sure try to make use of it well. uh, so I'll just put travel. Yep, so that's fine. Okay, then here the keywords here. So try to use some good keywords, like so when a buyer is searching for a service, so they should be easily able to identify you. So in that way, so try to use some good keywords that's relevant to your gig or your service you're providing, and also try to use some less competitive keywords, like you can this, and we got a separate video on keywords on our channel, which you can look into it if you need help with keywords. So yeah, look into those, and tags, like keywords or tags. So those are the things. Just look for some good ones. So for me, I will choose like YouTube, social media, like this. So you can choose up to five. So I'm not spending too much time on this because it's just for a demo purpose. And then once you're done filling up all these, click on save and continue. Okay, and here what you can do is you can choose your pricing. So how do you want to set it up? Whether you want to set it up as a package, like the different types of normal package standards, or however you want, like each package with a specific description of what each package does, something like that, like standard. It's like how we get in the Netflix memberships, or 3 months membership, 6 months membership. So you have different types of plans, right? So something like that, and then the delivery time for each plan, all those things. So you can choose here. So all those that's relevant to your gig, and then the price you can mention here. So you can do that. For example, if you don't want packages, then you can just create a normal this one, uh, just normal one-time package. You don't want multiple packages. So I'll just put this one into promotion videos. So there we go. I'll just choose one there. That's fine. That's fine. So once you have filled in all the necessary information, you click on save and continue. Or I can use this. Yep. Video promotion. Just do this. Yep. Right. Click on save and continue. Oh, okay. I haven't mentioned the price. Yep. $4. Just for demo. All right. It's fine. So save and continue. Click on save and continue. And here, okay. This is where you will like explain your gig well. Like this is something the when a buyer reads it, they should attract the buyer so that they will make an order and they will hire you. So try to make a description. You don't need to make it too complicated. Try to make it as simple as possible, and also try to include some good keywords that's relevant to your gig. So try to include those good keywords in your description, and it can be straight up to the point, and you can also mention what are the things that you're going to offer and what's required from them, or what are the benefits and what are the things that you'll be offering, all those things, like whatever that needs to be there. Like, put as much as valuable information that can attract buyers. So I mention that. Okay, I'll just do some uh, one for mine. Okay, that's it's enough for now. I'm not going to waste much time on this. So yep, so make sure you make use of this description field well. Okay, so it can fetch you more buyers. So once you have done that, okay, and here, if you want to add any FAQ like frequently asked questions to your thing, to your gig, you can add here. You can click on this and add what question and then your answer, all those things. Maybe you can also ask mention about your cancellation policy and all those things, or your change of mind, all those things, and whatever you want, you can add here if you want to. Otherwise, you can just proceed with save and continue. Okay. Oh, okay, my description is too short. All right, so what I will do, uh, one second. So yep, it's got some bit of information. All right, okay, so that's my description. So that's enough of this. All right, click on save and continue. Okay, here is requirements. So this is where you can add whatever information you need from your buyer, from your customer, in order to get the work done. For example, if in my case, like I'm doing YouTube promotion. So in order to promote YouTube, so what I need from my customer is that their YouTube channel name or their video link or something like that. So that's what I need. That's my requirement from my client. So I'll add here. So those things. So mention that if you have anything, if you have any requirements or information that you need, which you require pre starting the work, so you can add those question here, and then you can click on save and continue. All right, example channel name. That's it. Okay, add, save and continue. So here, it's where you can add some visual content here. So our aim is to attract attract buyers and make your gig more catchy. So what you can do is you can include graphics like photos of your work, or of the work that you're going to be doing, or your work or of your work that you have done before, or any video or show reels that you have done. So whatever that's relevant and will help you to attract buyers, you can include here. So we have this option here for that. So you can add one video here, and you can add an image here, up to 3 images. So, and any other documents other than media files like for photo and video, you can add any other uh, from any other reference or any other documents that's relevant to your gig. You know, so put as much as information, make it more attractive, and it should your gig should attract more audience. So make it so you use it wisely. So you can put all this information. Like in this case, I'll just put some random stuff just for demo purpose. So here, so I'm just adding some random image just for the sake of it, that I need something. So then click on save and continue. Okay, so instead of add all those information, so yep, you're almost there. So yep, so this is okay, so this, you're almost near to publish it. So this is like this is for tax purpose, so they will be asking for tax details. That's this one depends on where your country is based, where your country is from. So depending on that is this information will be required. So once you so if your country requires this tax information, then you just need to fill in your country of all these things. Alright, so fill that, and once you're done, all you have to do is hit on save changes, and this your gig will go live. I don't want to put this gig on live because it's a demo one, but that's what it is. So all you have to do is just click on provide the information, your tax information, and then click on and then click on here publish gigs. So once you publish that, so what will happen is your gig should appear under gigs. If you go to gigs, then your gig should appear here, something like this. It will be here. It should appear under your active gigs. So that's what it is, guys. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.